7 time expressions. 1. On time. To arrive at the right time. You need to get to your appointment on time so that you won't have to wait. Number 2. Time flies. When time passes quickly. Can't believe it is already 8 o'clock. Time flies. Number 3. Save time. To complete a task in a shorter amount of time. We will save time if we take Pembroke Avenue rather than Norrisville Avenue. Number 4. Out of time. There is no time left to do whatever it is you want to do. I was going to bake a cake, but I had to pick up my uncle from the airport, so I ran out of time. Number 5. Time off. To not work for some time. I had to take some time off from work to take care of my grandmother. Number 6. A hard time. To make things difficult. Her boss has been giving her a hard time. Number 7. A waste of time. Not a useful way to spend your time. It was a waste of time going to Marco's Market. They closed earlier today. I hope you enjoyed these 7 time expressions. Now, make your own sentences using these 7 time expressions. Number 1, on time. Number 2, time flies. Number 3, save time. Number 4, out of time. Number 5, time off. Number 6, a hard time. Number 7, a waste of time. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel.